creators like Mr. Beast keep dropping high-quality videos every single week. While most of us spend days just editing, scripting, and researching, it's not because they've got magical powers or massive teams. The truth is, their secret is AI, which quietly does the work most people never see. Today, I'll show you the exact 8 tools that can do the same for you. And make sure you watch till the end, because the last 3 tools are my absolute favorites. Welcome to AIChief. I'm Clay Fletcher. I try out the latest AI tools so you don't have to. And if you want weekly updates, prompts, and step-by-step tutorials, join the free AIChief newsletter. The link is in the description. Now, let's start with the very first step every creator struggles with, which is, what should I even make content about? Most creators waste hours guessing what to make next. Here's how to stop guessing and find topics that actually work. First, go to Perplexity. Then type in this prompt to get trending video ideas. And instantly, Perplexity pulls the latest articles, blogs, and forums, so you can explore what's trending. Now, say you already have a video idea, such as best AI tools for scriptwriting. Ask Perplexity to give you some solid data points for your script by typing. That way, you've got real numbers you can drop straight into your video to make it more trustworthy. Here's another handy trick. Ask Perplexity to build you a starting outline. Just type this prompt to get script outline. In seconds, it gives you a full structure with the intro, main points, and conclusion, so you can jump straight into scripting. So with this one tool, you've already solved 3 big headaches: finding trending topics, backing your video with real facts, and getting a ready-made outline to start from. Once you've got your research locked in, let's turn it into a script you can actually use. Writing the script is usually the hardest part. It's where most creators get stuck. But with this tool, your notes instantly turn into a script that sounds natural and ready to record. Take the outline you just built, whether that's from Perplexity or your own notes, and drop it into chatgpt 5. Then type this prompt to turn it into something you can actually use. And instantly, chatgpt 5 gives you a natural, flowing script you can read on camera. Here's a bonus trick. You can use chatgpt 5 to get punchy hooks for your shorts. Type this prompt. Give me 3 one-liner hooks from this script. In seconds, you'll have ready-to-use openers for TikToks and Reels. Now your script's ready, but what if you don't want to record your own voice, or you just need a clean narration? That's where the next tool comes in. You don't need a fancy mic or a soundproof studio. This tool makes your voice sound professional in minutes. For that, go to ElevenLabs. You'll notice it has a really clean interface. There are features like voice changer for adding effects, speech to text for quick transcriptions, and more advanced tools you can explore. But for now, click on text to speech. Paste in your script, choose a voice from the library, and hit generate. In seconds, you'll have a clean narration ready to use. Let me play it for you.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's changing the way we work.
Hear that? It sounds natural, almost like it was recorded in a studio. And if you're on a paid plan, you can even clone your own voice with a short sample, so your videos sound personal while still saving you time. All right, the script and the audio are done. Now, let's work on the visuals. Your thumbnail decides if people even click. This tool lets you make one in seconds. For that, go to Canva Magic Studio. The interface is simple, and the feature we'll use is Magic Design. Type in a prompt to get thumbnail ideas. In seconds, Canva gives you multiple options to choose from. From there, you can tweak the text, adjust the colors, or drop in your logo, and you've got a professional-looking thumbnail without stressing over design. Now, if you want to push your visuals further, try Gemini 2.5 for image generation. Just open it, click on Tools, and select Image Generation. Type a prompt to transform your words into images. For example, I type this prompt, "I want a snowy castle on clouds." Gemini instantly generates the scene for you. Now, take it a step further. Save that image, upload it again, along with another one, like a picture of Mr. Beast. Then, type a prompt that turns your wild ideas into reality. And boom, Gemini blends them together, giving you a clean, creative result quickly. Now you've got visuals and branding locked in. But what about editing the video? Descript makes editing simple. Instead of dragging clips around a timeline, you just edit the words on a page. When you open Descript, here's what you see. Options to edit a video, create with an avatar, edit a podcast, make social clips, translate and dub, even generate a video from scratch. Let's start with video editing. Upload your footage, and Descript instantly gives you a transcript. If you see filler words like or just delete them in the text, and they're gone. If you mess up a line, it's okay. Use the overdub feature, and it'll fix the mistake with your clone voice. No need to re-record. So instead of spending hours inside Premiere or Final Cut, editing in Descript feels as easy as editing a Google Doc. Now that your video is polished, let's talk about reaching even more viewers. Imagine taking the same video and speaking it fluently in any language, but it still sounds like you. Just upload your video to HeyGen. Pick a language, whatever you want, and it does the rest. It translates your video, keeps your own voice, and even syncs your lips. So your content's ready for a global audience, and you don't even have to re-record. Now, once you've gone global, here's how to turn one video into 10. Turn a single video into 10 viral clips automatically. Just drop your long video into Opus clip, and it does the heavy lifting, finds the highlights, adds captions, and spits out shorts, reels, and TikToks. You can try it free, then move to the paid plan for advanced clipping and captions. Instead of editing 10 videos, you make one, and Opus takes care of the rest. So here's your full creator toolkit. Perplexity for research, ChatGPT 5 for scripts, ElevenLabs for voice, Canva for graphics, Descript for editing, HeyGen for translation, and Opus Clip for shorts. With just these 8 tools, you can go from a blank page to a global audience without burning out. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe to AIChief and check out the free AIChief newsletter for weekly tools, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.